Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube app on your PC or on your laptop. All you have to do is open the YouTube app via a Google Chrome. So all you have to do is just open the app, and if you still use a Windows 10, you can search the install YouTube install in setting. You can tap three dots and try to search in here install YouTube. But in Windows 11, no more install YouTube option in the setting button. All you have to do, just tap or click on this. This is the install YouTube feature. Install app youtube.com. You can just try to install it and wait for the app to install. Here the YouTube app is ready to use. You can use it without open the Google Chrome anymore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. See you in the next video.